Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with the hashtag Year of Julie Nutting tags. It's the last one. I did 11 months. I missed the first month because I didn't know about it, but ever since then I did every one. And I need to thank Donna, Powered by Creativity, for hosting this for the last year. I love doing it. I'm going to miss making a Julie Nutting tag a month. So I hope she comes up with something again, and I'd probably join, especially when it comes to Julie Nutting. I love Julie Nutting dolls. It reminds me of my childhood. My partner for this month was Tjayebirds Journey, and the theme was graduation. Oh my god, this is awesome, guys. Look at this. Love the background. It's a success graduation day. Congrats. She's got the little Julie Nutting gal, the cap, and then there's like a little banner with a light bulb in it. It says grad, the diploma. The tassel's worth the hassle. I like how she's standing on books. It's cool. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of others' dreams. Cute. And then a tassel and a little. Look at that. That's so cute. Love it, love it, love it. I just think it's just awesome how every tag I've received, everybody's little perspective and the way to decorate them. It's phenomenal. And I've been putting them in a little Rubbermaid because I wanted to make something, but they're so dimensional that I haven't come up with any idea to put them all in. So I got them in a little Rubbermaid just to keep them safe till I can think of something how I can put them in something to display anywhere you can, like a book somehow. So I'm going to do that in the future. But I am going to do a video of all 12 months. And look forward to that coming. And look at the back. It says Celebrate You Did It. Homemade by Tjayebirds Journey. I'm going to put the year on here. I like putting the years so I know. So I'm going to put 21 June. Okay, there. Just so I know. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. I love how you did this. The little feet sticking out here. And then there's this over here. Oh, cute. Look at this little sticker. The leopard. So cute. Okay. Oh, look at her card. It says celebrate. Look at the teacups. Making memories. This little heart there. I like that paper. And then it says, Tina, I hope you like my doll. Thanks for being my crafty friend. Celebrating life. Celebrate life and all people around you. Stay crafty. Jay. Thank you so much. Hey, then we have this little box. Oh, okay, I didn't have to undo it. We open it. It's got a ribbon. Oh, slide it. Oh, it's a little mini journal. Ain't that cute? That's a neat, cute little idea. I can carry this in my purse. Take little journal notes when I'm out and about. Something I want to write down in a bigger journal later, especially when it comes to my daily or my week. I shouldn't say daily because I don't do it daily. I do it when, like today, I'll do a page. And if you're wondering what is she talking about, I used to try to do daily, but my life's not that exciting. So like this I did yesterday because we went out to dinner. Dami made me this drink. I came with an umbrella. I had a backache. I kind of just do it, like Hobby Lobby, the kids' soccer games, So I only kind of do, like, when poor Lucy, my cat, was sick, when something that kind of happens. I mean, if I did a daily, it'd be like, yep, I got up, did laundry, did dishes, cooked dinner, blah, 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 crafted, So this would be cute to put in my purse. Like today, I could write down a little what occurred. Instead of, just in case I forget, I can reference to this. So then when I get home, I can put it in my bigger one. So that's cute. Thank you. I like the cheetah. She's like, I'm it. Okay. Oops. I think that was on there. She's got this I'm a princess at it. Princess look. Or attitude, you know what I mean? That would sound bad. That's what she reminds me of. Like, I'm a princess and I knew it. Thank you so much, Jay. I loved it. I have, like I said, I have enjoyed doing the tags each month, coming up with an idea. I mean, Donna came up with the suggestion, like graduation, and then it was up to you to create. And that's kind of sometimes challenging. So I had fun. I'm going to miss it. So I want to thank each and every one of you that have swapped the Julie Nutting tag with me throughout this past 11 months. I greatly appreciate it. I did end up with 12 tags, though. I was missing 4th of July, and Sabrina, the Mismatched Crafter, surprised me with the 4th of July tag. So I have 12 months. So that's pretty cool. So I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Always be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.